speak a month after the collapse of the Afghan government and the takeover of the Taliban. How would you describe the situation in Afghanistan today?
I think it's worrying. Afghanistan is on a historic crossroads. One, if it goes well, and we pray that this works in the direction of peace after 40 years in Afghanistan, if this Taliban hold all of Afghanistan, and if they can sort of now work towards an inclusive government, get all the factions together, Afghanistan could have peace after 40 years. But if it goes wrong, and which is what we are really worried about, it could go to chaos, the biggest humanitarian crisis, a huge refugee problem, unstable Afghanistan, and the reason why the US came in was to fight terrorism or international terrorists. So unstable Afghanistan, refugee crisis, and the possibility of, again, terrorism from Afghanistan soil. I can see the problems they are facing, but I do not think that there would be really peace in Afghanistan unless there's an inclusive government, because Afghanistan is a society composed of different ethnic groups. So the Pashtun is only about 45-50%. They are Tajiks, they are Hazara, they are Uzbeks. So unless it's an inclusive government, the worry is that there will be instability later on.